going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We are on our way to XRP, Xtreme Raceway Park. We are taking Randy Savage to Xtreme. There's a OG street, I think it's a OG street class that they're doing for this small local event. That track is awesome. You guys will see. I just kind of wanted to update you guys and get you guys, started onto this video. Randy Savage is good. We made a few changes on it as far as suspension goes. We'll get into that later, but yeah, and we're ready to go. It should be a fun event. I'm gonna go pick up Angel and his wife. Me and my wife are going. Man, this is what keeps my mind right, so I occasionally need to do it. I'm always working, I'm always getting crazy with it, so yeah, but I'm gonna bring you guys along, and hopefully from now on we're probably gonna do a little bit more racing content, so stay tuned. Cars in the trailer. We are getting all the small things ready to go, and we'll be hitting the road soon. All right, here we go.
Yeah, I'm back in that. Hey, where you going? Hey.
All right, boys, so we made it to the Airbnb now, here in Waxahachati or something like that. But yeah, Angel's pretty good at choosing Airbnbs. He's like, bro, let's get this one. We'll be able to fit the trailer in there, no problem. Yeah. Okay, on the main highway. So, but anyways, we'll figure it out. We'll make ways, and hopefully everything goes smooth. But yeah, this is just something that I wanted to let you guys in on, where we're at. So stay tuned. About to be headed to the track real soon. Just gonna go drain the main and check in, and then from there, racing time. Let's go. Little homie. Oh, don't fall in there. Yeah. I don't know if you should be playing on that. Huh?
Says do not flush.
Do not flush what? Can you read?
Feminine hygiene products, baby wipes, paper towels, cotton balls, Q-tips, tissues, 8 balls, condoms.
I use all of the above.
Judging by the smell of the fucking truck when y'all hopped in, well, not y'all, when you hopped in, you don't use anything with hygiene. Hey, this place is fucking legit.
It's like a fucking hotel. They charge you when you take the candies.
Well, he's paying for it anyways. He lost that bet.
No.
Look, Angel, we're gonna be betting all night. I hope I go out first round. We're gonna tell him, yeah, we're gonna make it happen. This is the theater room. This is the bang bus couch. Oh, damn, bro, I'm sleeping right here. Just FYI. Yeah, I told you I was. You said you wanted the bedroom, so macaroni noises right here for me and my girl. You guys know what macaroni noises are? Claudia knows. Yeah. All right. Well, come on, bro. Gates open at 3. It's 2:30. All right. So, just to update y'all, we're at the Airbnb. It's a nice little place, and I gotta take a shit. All right. Bye. This is the kind of racing I like, man. Full variety of cars. Awesome. I drew that Mustang right there. And we got old Casey Rance with his new hot rod. Let's see what it's about. Alright, boys, we're here. Track is beautiful as always. Got Angel right here, getting the spark plug swapped over. I added a little bit of character to the car, bringing it over here. Man, we ended up buying a bigger generator, and to say the least, the generator didn't fit with the car, golf cart, and pretty much everything up front. So I ended up putting it in the back, pretty much put it back here. Thought it wouldn't be a big deal, but it is what it is. Adds a little character. So 2 seats in the car, 2 seats in the car. Car dropped a little bit of weight since 2K. That's the new name, Andy Rob. There we go. Yeah, anyways, spark plug getting changed, hair's flying all over the place. We're on Pro Jacks, spark plug change, transmission fluid check, drain everything, fill up fuel, and go tech in. There's quite a bit of good cars here, man, and I definitely feel like I got the upper hand. I got a hot rod today, so hopefully we can make that work, make it count. All right, here we go. Driver meetings there. We're gonna do one test pass, which I already did a test pass, but they'll give us one more test pass, and then after that is first round. So stay tuned. Hopefully we can go ahead and get past the first round, and once we do that, it should be all right. All right. Making test passes, and the car's working. Doesn't want to leave as hard as I want it to, but we'll get that ironed out. But car's going fast, so I'm not too worried about it. It's doing what it's supposed to. Going in the first round, I drew a guy named Tony. He's got a New Edge Mustang mod motor deal, single turbo. So I'm gonna give it some power and see what it does, see how it reacts. So. Stay tuned. I'm trying to get footage. My wife will have the camera, so keep up with that. All right, here we go.
Drive! That's how you fucking drive, baby! That's how you do it, and that's how you get over the fact that you wrecked a motherfucking car wheeling. Let's go! That bitch rolled the fuck out. I know that for a fact. No scramble. Out to the boys, man. They lined me up. They came all the way out here. They drove 4 hours just to come hang out with me, man. That means a lot, man. I don't have too many, but the ones I got are A1, baby.
All right, boys. Finally passed the jitters. Passed first round. Car was rolling. Had to pedal a little bit, but for the most part, the thing was rolling out. You'll see in the GoPro. I don't know where Nate's gonna put it, if it's gonna be before or after, but you'll see in the GoPro. I'm really excited, man. I'm very appreciative of the guys, man. They drove out here fucking, you know, just to hang out and to support, and that's huge, you know. Me and my wife come out here and we can do it, you know, but are we gonna do it right? Probably not, but you know, having the guys here is huge. My guys, obviously, you know, I wanted to give them the weekend off, so figured I'd bring out the A1s. Here are the A1s. See the other one over there? He's struggling with dairy.
Yeah.
Struggling with dairy. My boy Nestor ate everything under the sun and then finished it off with a piece of ice cream. He's like, man, everything was great until I ate that ice cream, bro. So, yeah, shout out to everybody out here, XRP. Andy Reynolds, I appreciate everything, dude. This is a cool little class. Hell, no cap, like, it's great, you know, and it gives us a little bit of a, I guess you'd say a little bit of courage, man, to go out to the bigger events and do what we're supposed to do. So, man, I went 0-30 to the tree on his ass. Pow! So, y'all will see it. Y'all will see it. I'm excited. All right, man. Anyways, stay tuned. Here we go.
It wanted to get up, it wanted to come back up the same way it did the first pass, but I stayed in it and didn't go too far. That was pretty good. Let's get it. And looks like that guy blew his motor. I look back behind the mirror and it was smoking. He's driving, so I don't know. All right. Let me get this shit thrown in here. 2 more of those passes, man, and we'll be in the money. Well, I think I'm in the money now, but 2 more of those passes will win us this race. Rushing us, but good, baby. That bitch wheelied and I still went around that motherfucker.
Here it comes. We're in the championship, boys. Let's go.
Well, it's damn, my watch is there. It's about to be 11:30, and got through round 3 and we're in the finals. Lo and behold, we're in the finals with we're in the finals with Tammy from over there from our side of town. So yeah, from Houston. It's pretty cool to do that out of 16 cars. I mean, we had some fast cars, but ours was a little bit faster today. Oh, there we go. Yeah, ours was a little bit faster. So yeah, in the finals, I'm excited. The car, I haven't changed anything from when we raced it at 2K besides like some springs in the back, little small things like that, nothing else, right? But the car's working really, really well, and we're just dialing it in. This is gonna be our 6th pass in the final. It's a good, decent payout, so looking forward to that.
we're already in the money. So I'm gonna look over the log, make sure everything looks good, and get it ready for round 4 finals. Yeah, let's do it. So we're gonna go talk to Daniel and Tammy Burks. I did see that they leaked quite a bit of oil on the scales. Hopefully they can get it sorted out, and then that way at least we can get a final round in. But I'm gonna talk to them, see what they say, see what happens. We're in the finals, left on our ass, and I felt something break. I think I broke the diff. It's got like a pos. It's not a spool. It's got some sort of posi or something in it, and I just found that out. Angel, shout out to Angel. He fucking jinxed me. He's like, oh, that thing's gonna break. Well, guess what? It fucking broke. Nah, I'm just kidding, man. Anyways, thanks to everyone that came out. My boy Jose, Nestor, Precom, Angel, Claudia, and most importantly, my wife. She supports me in doing this dumb shit, man. This is just a fucking money pit, and I love it. This is my therapy. Sometimes I work a little too much, and this right here fucking helps me out, gets my head right. So shout out to everybody watching. Brian, Lund Racing, Sebastian, Turbo Smart, all them badass fucking companies that help me do what I do. So anyways, let's go get a big check. I ain't never had one of them motherfuckers. I don't care if it's for $1,500. Let's go get it. All right, I appreciate everyone.